Probability distributions, discrete versus continuous. Part 1. In the last video, we discussed what random variables are. In this video, let us now explore the two types of random variables broadly used. They are discrete and continuous random variables. A discrete random variable is the result of a chance event and takes only selected values in a certain range, whereas a continuous random variable takes any value in a certain range. The outcome of throwing a dice is a discrete random variable. Number of misprints on a page, the number of customers who view a movie a day, and the number of cars waiting for petrol at a petrol station are a few examples of discrete random variables. These random variables take only selected values in a range like whole numbers. Some examples of continuous random variables are heights, weights, volumes, and duration. These random variables can take any value in a certain range. Consider the continuous distribution of a random variable x whose frequency curve is like this. If you notice, the curve extends between a and b. Then, probability for the area is equal to area of the curve between c and d divided by area of the curve between a and b. In fact, for continuous distributions, probabilities are not assigned to an individual value, but to a range of values. We will explore the commonly used discrete probability distributions further in the next video.